Alright, well, I got a little bit of something special today. Got a nice thick foam. Get that out of the way. Really not that bad. Same thing on that side. Oh. Press and pull. Okay. Oh, she's got a thick cable. Yeah, this would be aircraft, whatever grade plug. Very, very aggressive. And just a simple little guy. The production models will come with only a 2-section charger instead of a 4. The 4s were just for the pre-release. We got our software. No creaking noises squishing it. Yeah, aircraft grade plug. It's got a locator pin, and they even marked it for you. Battery compartment for your 18650s. They're hot swappable. You can do one at a time, and it stays turned on as far as I was told. This should be, yeah, your armband for putting your phone in there. Not spring loaded, is it? No. It'll lock your phone in so that you can have your scanner in your hand and look at your phone. Interesting. And this should be a calibration plate. Wonder what design they went with. They just stuck on there. That's just stickers on a glass plate. Not unlike the first Creality one I saw. Plastic ball bearings. Yeah. Couple rows of ball bearings in there, but still, just plastic. I'm probably not going to use this.